welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry, and if you're a fan of avocados like I am...
Did somebody say avocado?
Oh hey, this is my friend Eric.
Hi, nice to meet you. You can also call me the Veggie Nerd.
I've got an idea. Since you're here, Eric, would you like to share a recipe with us?
Sure, why not?
Great! My friend the Veggie Nerd is going to take it from here. So Eric, let's see what you got for us.
I love avocados, but it really bugs me when they get overripe. This recipe solves that problem. So let's get started. You can find the full measurements and more via the link in the description. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut the avocado lengthwise all the way around, being careful not to dig into the pit. Open the avocado by splitting it in half, and then using a spoon, carefully remove the pit. Scrape away any avocado flesh that is stuck to the pit and put it into a food processor or a blender. Using the same spoon, scrape the remainder of the avocado flesh away from the skin and add it to the food processor. Adding maple syrup or other sweetener of choice, cocoa powder, pure vanilla extract, coconut milk, and cinnamon. Blend until smooth. Next, carefully break up the dark chocolate by using a sharp knife over a cutting board. Moving to the stove, place a glass bowl over some simmering water, making sure the water does not touch the bottom of the glass bowl. Add in the dark chocolate and stir until well melted. Quickly move this to your avocado mixture, pour it in, and blend well to combine. You may need to scrape the sides of your processor or blender as you go. This last step is to further stabilize the mousse. Heat 1/4 cup of water in a small saucepot until boiling. Remove the saucepot from the heat and allow to rest for about 30 seconds. Stir in 1 teaspoon of agar and whisk vigorously to dissolve. Add mixture to the avocado mousse and blend once more until smooth. Spoon the mixture into desired containers and allow to chill until set. About 1 to 2 hours. Once set, you can eat it plain, make it into a parfait, top it off, or make it fancy. Your chocolate avocado mousse is here.
Thanks, Eric. That sounds delicious. And if you'd like to see one of my avocado recipes, I'll show you how to make a fresh homemade guacamole that takes just a few minutes and just a few ingredients. So all you have to do is click on the video on the screen to head on over to Eric's channel.